Hi, my name is Alex. Today is a new day. I wake up at 7 a.m. I wash my face and brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I like toast and jam. I drink coffee. It's hot and tasty. After breakfast, I check my phone. I see messages from my friends. I text my friend, Sam. Good morning, Sam. How are you?
Good morning, Alex. I'm fine. You?
I'm good. Let's meet later. I meet Sam at the park.
Hi, Alex.
Hi, Sam.
What do you want to do today?
Let's walk and talk.
How was your weekend?
It was nice. I watched a movie.
What movie?
I watched a comedy.
I love comedies.
Me too. I go home after the park. I check my emails for work. I see an email from my boss. Alex, please come to my office. Hello, Mr. Johnson.
Hi, Alex.
What do you need?
I have an assignment for you.
Yes, what is it?
I need a report on sales.
When is it due?
It's due at 4 p.m.
Okay, I will finish it. I go back to my desk. I start working on the report. It's lunchtime now. I go to the cafeteria.
Hi, Alex.
Hi, Sarah.
What are you eating?
I have a salad and water.
That sounds healthy.
Yes, I try to eat well.
What did you do today?
I met Mr. Johnson.
For what?
I have a new assignment.
Good luck.
Thanks, Sam. I return to my desk. I work on my report. I finish the report. I feel happy. I go to Mr. Johnson's office. Here is my report.
Thank you, Alex.
You're welcome.
Good job.
I leave the office. I feel tired but proud. I get home. I cook dinner. I make pasta. It smells good. I eat my dinner. I watch TV while I eat. After dinner, I clean up. I wash the dishes. I like a clean kitchen. I get ready for bed. I brush my teeth again. I feel sleepy now. Good night, everyone.